Hi everyone, Emily Allison here with Emily Everything, and today I'm going to teach you a Kundalini Yoga exercise called Meditation for Protection and Projection from the Heart. Now, the first thing we do in Kundalini Yoga practice is tune in to the golden chain of the gurus and teachers that came before us with a chant that goes like this: Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. We do that 3 times, and that tunes us in. Then we do the exercise, which I will teach you, followed by closing the session with a long Sat Nam. Now, the exercise starts with the hands in prayer position, and the chant goes Aad Guray Nameh, Jugaad Guray Nameh, Sat Guray Nameh, Siri Dayvay Nameh. And it goes like this: your arms out to 45-degree angle, Aad Guray Nameh, and back to prayer position, Jugaad Guray Nameh, Sat Guray Nameh, back out to 45, Siri Dayvay Nameh. Now, we do that 3 times in this session, but you can do it up to 31 minutes if you'd like. It's something to work up to. Start with 3 minutes, move to 5, go to 11, then to 22, maybe up to 31 if you feel up to it. It does take time, and this is just a practice. There is music that you can listen to in the background that you can find on places like Spirit Voyage that has wonderful Kundalini Yoga music. And let's begin. So, tuning in, rub your hands together. Inhale and say it with me. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. And exhale through the nose. Now, this meditation is actually said to give you an enchanting magnetic personality and many unexpected friends. It also surrounds the magnetic field with a protective light. So let's begin. Hands in prayer position. Inhale and begin. Aad Guray Nameh, Jugaad Guray Nameh, Sat Guray Nameh, Siri Dayvay Nameh, Aad Guray Nameh, Jugaad Guray Nameh, Sat Guray Nameh, Siri Dayvay Nameh, Aad Guray Nameh, Jugaad Guray Nameh, Sat Guray Nameh, Siri Dayvay Nameh. And now you know how to do that. You can practice it on your own. And we will close the session with a long Sat Nam. Inhale. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Thank you for joining me today. Now, Sat Nam is the seed mantra that we use all the time in Kundalini Yoga, and it means the truth is my identity. My name is the truth. If you'd like more videos of these types and varieties of the Kundalini Yoga, I will be doing more of those. So please like and subscribe to my channel, Emily Everything, and ring that little bell so you can be notified when these videos pop up for you. Also, I have a store online that I make Kundalini Yoga wear. So they have different phrases on them. Sat Nam is my favorite. So if you would like to support me in my Kundalini Yoga channel, and my practice, please subscribe below, and there is a link to my store if you would like some Kundalini Yoga wear. And that's all I have to say for today. So we'll see you in the next video. And thank you again for joining me. And Sat Nam. Ciao for now.